with meteorologist Melanie Black.
Good morning. In the tropics, all eyes on Hurricane Erin. Just yesterday morning, this was still a tropical storm, and now we are talking about a powerful Category 4 storm. It underwent rapid intensification through the overnight hours, and as you can take a look here, it has maximum sustained winds of 145 miles per hour, and right now moving west to northwest pretty quickly at about 20 miles per hour. It's still about 120 miles northeast of Anguilla, and as you take a closer look here, you can see the eye, almost a textbook version of what a hurricane would look like, and the ongoing convection around it. So we have some heavy rain across the northern Leeward Islands, and it's expected to continue to stay mainly north of the islands through this weekend, but bring some heavy rainfall with the potential for some dangerous flooding, possibly even landslides and mudslides across the islands as it continues its track. So here's the latest track of the National Hurricane Center, and it does put this continuing to move west and northwest as a Category 4 storm, but eventually it makes this turn to the north, and as it continues northward, eventually the upper level flow is going to move this off to the northeast. And you can see here with the track of the models, the consensus is that this is going to move north and then stay off to the northeast away from the U.S. mainland. But what the impact we will see here will be increased swell, and you can look at the wave heights as we go forward into next week. Once we get to Wednesday, Thursday, I think we might start to experience some increased swell, especially once we get into that Thursday time frame. That's when Erin at this point is going to be reaching closer to our latitude. So with this, we'll have to watch for the potential for some dangerous surf and rip currents as it's still summertime. So a lot of people still thinking about getting in the water. We'll keep you updated on the movement of that one. As we look at our radar and satellite for us today, high pressure is in charge, but it's going to continue to slide off to the east, and that's going to start to usher in some changes. So you can see a bubble of warm air across the Midwest down to the south where there's ongoing heat advisories for high temperatures in the 90s today. We'll get a quick shot of that tomorrow, but there's also a front that's still draped across the upper Great Lakes region and across Minnesota. You can see ongoing storms there. It's that front that's going to bring us the chance for a shower or a storm come tomorrow, and then behind that, much more comfortable feel for us. So still manageable humidity levels for us today. Humidity increases tomorrow, but look what's ahead next week. Dew points in the 40s and 50s. That's going to feel pretty good. I walk you through our future forecast. Mostly sunshine into this afternoon. Maybe this afternoon seeing a little bit more in the way of clouds, especially compared to this morning. Best chance for a shower or storm is going to remain across western Mass. I can't rule out a shower or storm getting into parts of Worcester County, and maybe an isolated shower closer to the coast as that high pressure slides offshore. But overall today is mainly going to stay dry. We have some patchy fog overnight. We get into some sunshine mixed with some clouds for tomorrow. Isolated shower chances possible tomorrow afternoon, but as we go through toward sunset and thereafter, you can see that's when we have a better threat of some showers and storms, and that threat continues to slide down to the southeast tomorrow night. There could be the risk for some damaging wind with that one as well. We look at our current temperatures, and we're warming things up, mid to upper 70s in Metro West, and the wind is onshore. There you can see those wind arrows. That's going to play a role with our temperatures at the coast, upper 70s near 80 degrees, while inland we're headed for the mid to upper 80s. Overnight, it's muggy. Areas of fog redevelop. Temperatures are in the 60s. And come tomorrow, look at this. We head for the upper 80s to the low 90s, near 90 in Boston. Temperatures closer to 80 across the Cape. Next weekend, though, look what's in store for us. High temperatures in the 70s and some cool fall-like mornings. It's going to feel more comfortable.